Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to explore one of the latest products from Xiaomi, a manufacturer well known for its ability to combine functionality and affordability in its electronic products. Xiaomi has made a name for itself in the field of smartphones, connected devices, and home gadgets. In this video, we will take a closer look at their latest robot vacuum model, the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X20 Max. You will find the link to this product in the description, so feel free to check it out for more information. Let's start with the design of the Xiaomi Vacuum X20 Max. At first glance, this robot vacuum impresses with its modern and sleek appearance. With a diameter of 35 centimeters and a height of 9.7 centimeters, it is compact enough to slide under most furniture, which is ideal for reaching hard-to-access areas. The robot features a neat finish typical of Xiaomi products, with sturdy materials that promise durability and resistance for everyday use. Weighing 3.9 kilograms, it is lightweight for a device in its category, making it easier to transport if necessary. The charging station, although more imposing, measures 34 centimeters wide, 42 centimeters deep, and 56 centimeters high. It houses clean and dirty water tanks, as well as a dust bag. This clever design allows for efficient waste and water management, while being easy to maintain. Let's now move on to the main features of the X20 Max. This model stands out with its impressive suction power of 8,000 pascals, enabling it to effectively capture dust, debris, and pet hair on various surfaces. It is equipped with an LDS laser navigation system that ensures precise and quick mapping of your home, thus optimizing its cleaning path. The robot also uses ultrasonic sensors to detect carpets, automatically adjusting its suction power and lifting its mops to avoid wetting the rugs. One of the innovations of this model is its extendable mop arm, designed to get as close as possible to baseboards and corners. The integrated 80-milliliter water tank keeps the mops moistened throughout the cleaning cycle, thus improving washing efficiency. The multifunction station is another major asset, as it automatically empties the dust collector, washes the mops with hot water that can reach up to 55 degrees Celsius, and dries them with hot air. These features aim to minimize manual maintenance and maximize convenience for the user. Additionally, the Xiaomi Home app offers a simple and intuitive interface to control all these features, schedule cleanings, and customize the experience according to your needs. Regarding the practical use of the X20 Max, this robot vacuum easily integrates into your daily cleaning routine. Thanks to its efficient mapping, it is capable of recognizing and memorizing the layout of your rooms, allowing it to navigate methodically and cover the entire surface to be cleaned. With a battery life of 143 minutes, it can handle large spaces before returning to its station to recharge. Once recharged, it automatically resumes cleaning where it left off, ensuring complete coverage. The Xiaomi Home app allows you to customize cleanings by choosing from 4 suction modes and 3 water flow levels. You can also set no-go zones or create virtual walls to protect sensitive areas of your home. Although the management of carpets in mopping mode could still be improved, the robot offers good suction performance on hard floors and short pile carpets. Maintenance is made easier by the station that takes care of emptying and cleaning the mops, thus reducing the manual tasks to be performed. Let's now compare the Vacuum X20 Max with other products on the market. Compared to its predecessors, the X20 Plus and the X20 Pro, the X20 Max offers superior suction power as well as a more advanced cleaning station. It also positions itself as a competitive alternative to models like the Dream L10s Ultra Gen 2, while remaining in a more affordable price range. Although the X20 Max is not as powerful as some high-end models like the Roborock Crev Curve, it offers excellent value for money with its many advanced features. In conclusion, the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X20 Max is a robot vacuum that combines power, efficiency, and ease of use. Although some features like carpet management in mopping mode could still be optimized, it remains a solid choice for those looking for a high-performing and accessible device. For those interested, don't forget to check the link in the description for more details. Every click and purchase through this link supports the channel, and I thank you for that. We would love to hear your opinions on this product, so leave us a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on the latest technological innovations. Thank you for watching. See you very soon. Bye-bye.